Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: target platform, app ID, and an ad network account. Next, obtain app ID and ad unit ID so you can reference them. Install the Ad SDK now, use Gradle for Android or CocoaPods for iOS, and add the required internet and network permissions to your manifest or plist. Follow sample initialization code and run a minimal build to ensure the SDK links. Once done, you'll have the foundation to request test ads immediately. You now integrate ad views into your UI by placing banner, interstitial, or rewarded components and assigning the correct ad unit ID. Make ad requests using the SDK's request builder. Start with test ads to confirm network responses. Implement callbacks to handle on loaded, on failed to load, on opened, and on closed so you control UX. Also wire the ad lifecycle. Pause and resume or destroy ad objects in activity or view controller callbacks to avoid. You finish by configuring monetization. Set targeting, frequency caps, and mediation or bidding settings in the dashboard so revenue and UX balance. Run comprehensive QA across device types, orientations, and network conditions, then replace test ID with production ad unit ID when stable. Monitor analytics and error logs post-release to spot low fill rates or SDK errors. If something breaks, check Logcat or Device Console first. Switching to test ads and reviewing initialization order usually exposes the root cause.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.